Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. We just click here on settings. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. Come to apps this here, and then you're looking for Amazon Alexa app, or just click on it here. So or click here on search, then here add Alexa up here or Amazon Alexa. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.